right to Duxbury Drive.
Look at all the snow. Sige, malita may mga snow blower sa side.
In 400 feet, turn right to Duxbury Drive.
Ito, nagpapala ng side. Tayo talagang pinanindigan na.
Turn right to Duxbury Drive.
Ayan.
Tagal matutulog ito.
Tagal, kasi mabilis na
In 400 feet, make a U-turn if possible at Harvester Drive.
Ayun ba yung ano?
Saturday.
Yeah, today.
Make a U-turn if possible at Harvester Drive.
Ano lang naman yan, recycling. Okay,
Recycling. Okay ba tayo sa recycling?
In 1/4 of a mile, turn left.
Ito, lilipat. Malilipat.
Di ba kayo nag-store lang yung mga Christmas?
In 1/4 of a mile, turn left.
Look at that. They built one. That is so cool.
Oh, we'll build the sled.
In 400
slide.
feet, turn left to Bratton Drive.
Busy. You know, like sledding run. We'll build it.
Turn left to Bratton Drive. In 1/4 of a mile, turn right.
No, you can do it. I saw you. I saw your video. You did a good job. Kasi nagpaparenovate. Ang dami nagpaparenovate. Yeah.
In 500 feet, turn right to South Medina Line Road.